Hey guys, I'm Cory.
And I'm Lori.
Today we're covering upgrades we've done to the inside of our rig, starting right now. Welcome back guys. Today we're talking about our 2006 Salem LE and the upgrades we did on the inside of our rig. And if you missed the part 1 video of the upgrades of the outside of our rig, I'll include a link in the description below. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and we'll get started with our first item.
The first item we replaced was the kitchen faucet. We opted for a peerless single handle with a side sprayer.
Yeah, it was a lot nicer than the original one that was just a 2-handle with no sprayer. It made it hard to go ahead and fill up water in a pitcher or pot, and this one's a lot nicer. Next item was our wood sink covers. These are great because our sink is a kind of an odd size and some of the sink covers don't necessarily fit it just right. But having the sink covers is nice because it allows you extra counter space.
Next was our CAMCO stove cover. This works great to create even more counter space.
Yeah, it gives Lori a nice spot for a coffee pot, or she'll occasionally have the iPad up there streaming music while she's hanging out inside the RV.
Next is the CAMCO paper towel holder. This keeps them up and out of the way, but keeps them within arm's reach.
Why doesn't an RV come with a paper towel holder? Seriously. Our next item is the CAMCO knife holder. Our RV has a knife holder that's behind the stovetop, and who wants to reach over top of the stovetop trying to reach those? So we mounted it to the wall right beside the stove, and it's a much more convenient location. Next up is our MorRyde TV mounts. These are great because it allows the TVs to stay permanently mounted to the walls. They swing out and are adjustable, and they lock into place for travel. And just like anything else from MorRyde, it's quality built.
Next are the LED lights. They're brighter, cooler, and use less power.
Yeah, those original incandescent lights get really hot in the fixtures, and the plastic covers would get so hot you couldn't even hardly touch them. That just doesn't seem safe, so we went ahead and we upgraded these, and we really like these. The next item might seem silly, and that's ceiling vents. Our RV came with the ceiling vents that you could change the direction, but you couldn't shut them off. Now, during the summertime when it's hot, I like having the air on, especially at night. The girls, not so much. They'll be freezing back in the bunkhouse. So we swapped them out with a model that our old RV used to have. I found them online and installed those ones, and we can now shut them off, and the girls are happy and I'm happy, and that makes everyone happy. So next up is our King Jack directional antenna. It's nice because you can change the direction of it and actually pull in that signal a little bit better than the standard Winegard HD antennas that come on the RVs. And it's nice, you can dial that right in and you can reach some of those channels a little bit farther away. And this has been really good for us.
Next is the screen protector. This keeps the dog from clawing at the screen and putting holes in it, and also can prevent a major injury from a small child falling out the door.
Yeah, these things are great. They're really strong, and they help protect that screen. Next up is what every RVer needs, and that's a flashlight that's readily available. We installed a fishing pole holder that's next to our door that works perfect for any type of mag light style flashlight, and it's always there right when you need it.
Next up is command strips. We use these everywhere. They work great from everything from hanging up wet towels to hanging up a dog leash.
Yeah, command strips is an RVer's best friend. Next on the list is the CAMCO screen door handle. Now this just makes perfect sense. After all, why don't they put a handle on a screen door? Duh. The next one has been on Lori's honey-do list for a couple years, and I finally got it done for her, and that is installing the AP Products Slimshade Window in our RV door. She always complained about not being able to see out through the frosted glass, and this allows her to be able to see out, and the tinted glass lets nobody see in, and it even has the shade for extra privacy.
Next is the CAMCO cup holder. This works great because we don't have a table on the left side of our couch, and we don't have room for a coffee table.
Yeah, you can find these in either RV or marine styles. I think they just come white or black, but they are a great addition if you don't have a lot of space. So the next up is our water pump. It needed to be replaced, so might as well upgrade. So we went with the Seaf 12 volt RV water pump, and surprisingly enough, it holds pressure better and is a whole lot quieter than the original one that came with our RV.
Next is my favorite upgrade, and that's the Oxygenics Showerhead. It uses way less water and has way more pressure.
Yeah, with Lori's curly hair, she definitely needs it.
Next is our bathroom faucet. We chose a Peerless, just like the kitchen.
Yeah, we like the Peerless faucets, and they're just so much smoother operating than the RV ones that come in. The RV ones are so cheap and plasticky, and this was a great upgrade for our bathroom. The next upgrade was our Dometic 320 toilet. It is a standard height toilet, and it's elongated, takes a standard household toilet seat, and we upgraded from our original Thetford plastic RV toilet, and boy was that an upgrade. If you hate RV toilets, you will love this one. Go ahead and get yourself one of these. Next up should be on every RVer's upgrade list, and that's your carbon monoxide and smoke alarms. Most of them need to be replaced within 5 to 7 years and have an expiration date on the back if you're not sure of when those last replaced. We recommend going with a First Alert or Kitty model because your protection is nowhere to skimp. So these are the upgrades we've done to the inside of our rig.
They certainly have made our RVing trips a lot more enjoyable.
And if you're interested in any of these upgrades, you can find the links in the description below. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and comment below. And don't forget, hit that little subscribe button right here. And while you're at it, check out another one of these great videos. We'll see you out there.